Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, the name still remains the same. I'm King of Rhymes, the co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yay! So on today's episode, I want to show you how you can withdraw 300 cedis daily profits from your dollar account to your more money or your Visa card. Yay! If you want to know how to create a dollar account, I have a video. I explain everything, how you can open your dollar account in my description, or the link will be here so you can check it out. So on today's episode, I want to show you how you can withdraw your daily profit to your mobile money or your Visa card, step by step. Yeah, so I will show you how you can load money from your Momo or Visa card to your dollar account, how you can exchange your cedis to dollars, and when the dollars goes up, you can exchange your dollars to cedis so that you get a lot of profit and withdraw that profit to your mobile money account or your Visa card account. So no time to waste. Join me on my phone screen and let me show you how you can do all this thing, how you can exchange your cedis to dollars and save your cedis to your dollar account, and when the dollars goes up and the cedis goes down, you exchange your dollars to cedis so that you get a lot of profit and then withdraw that money to your Visa card. So no time to waste. Let's start from top to the down. Jump on my phone screen and let's do it fast. Wow. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so welcome to my phone screen. Yeah, no time to waste. Like, first of all, you have to download the Eversend. Yeah, I will leave the link in my description. So download the Eversend. Yeah, then you open it. Then you enter your password. Yeah, I hope like I've already shown you how you can create this account, but if you don't know how to create this account, I will leave the link in the description, or you can check the link in the right corner so that you can know how to create Eversend account. Yeah, but today I want to show you how you can create a dollar account and add mobile money or Visa card. Yeah, so let's say if you create the account, like you don't have a bank account, so you want to do deposit through your mobile money or Visa account to your dollar account so that you can save in dollars. So when it's yen more money or when the dollar increase and you want to withdraw, you can withdraw the money, or you can exchange your dollar to cedis so that it will be more. So you'll be starting it step by step. So first of all, right now we have opened our Eversend account. So right now this one is my demo account. Yeah, for it for tutorial sake. Yeah, so like this one is the demo account. So this one, main balance for my Ghana cedis was 0. So if I want to switch to dollar, this is the dollar one. The other one is also 0. So if I want to add money to my dollar account, I'll click. If I want to add money to my dollar account, if I want to add money to my dollar account, first of all, one trick about this is, dollar account is always linked to like international bank accounts like Visa card, MasterCard, these kind of things. Yeah, so if you want to add money straight to your dollar account, unless you have money in your bank account, so like let's go here. So if you load here, you see you can add money from your credit card or debit card or FilterWave link. Yeah, but I want to show you something like how you can add money straight to your dollar accounts, yeah, with your Momo. So first of all, we go to our Ghana Cedi platform. Yeah, then we click load. So loading, then we go to mobile money. This mobile money, yeah. Then we click mobile money, and you will click on your number. So you will enter the amount you want to load. Let's say I want to load 200 cedis. I want to load 200 cedis. So if I click 200 cedis, this one we say continue. So if I click on continue, so it's loading. Please enter the Momo reality OTP sent to your via SMS or WhatsApp. You see that they have sent me something. Yeah. So if I enter the code, if I enter the code in my in the message they sent me. So let me enter the code for us to see more. So the code is 665 250. 665 250. So it said a push notification has been sent to your phone. Complete the transaction by entering your PIN. So they will, like, if this one load finish, something will pop up for me to do what? So for me to, you see the thing. So so step one is like I'll enter *170#. Then I'll choose wallet and I'll choose trade to my approver. Then I'll enter your mobile PIN to retrieve your pending approval list. Choose a pending transaction. Choose one to approve. Tap button to continue. Wait for this view to be updated. So if I follow this prompt, like if you didn't receive the notification thing for you to enter your PIN, yeah, you have to follow this prompt and follow the procedure, and the money will transfer to your account. But I'm doing for tutorial's sake, so I will not bother myself to do any transaction. So you see how I did the thing. Yeah, so that's how you can load the money to your Ghana account through your Momo number. So after, let's say you have loaded the money through your Momo number, let's say like if you complete the go here, exchange. You click on the exchange. But if you don't understand anything, you can alert me so that you do it. Yeah. So you go to exchange. So let's say I want to exchange the 200 cedis with dollars. So I'll get 13.96. So this one, there's no balance. That's why the balance have 10 red. Yeah. So if there's enough fund in my wallet, it will be blue. And if you click continue, like the Ghana cedi will exchange for dollars, and you'll be getting 13.96 dollars in your dollar account. So when you go here, when you come here, you see that your main balance in your dollar will be what? 13.9. So let's say you have saved a lot. So let's say right now you have 13.9 and the dollar rate is, let's say, 20 cedis or 25 cedis, and you know that you have gained a lot of profit from the one you saved, and you want to exchange those money to your Ghana accounts and transfer that money to your Momo. This is how you will do it. You'll come to your dollar account and you do what? Exchange it. So exchange it. You do what? You exchange it. So let's say the dollar account, you have 13.96. So let's assume that it have increased, and right now let's say 13.96 is equal to let's say 300 Ghana cedis, and you want to exchange to your Ghana cedis so that you can enjoy your profits. Then you click on continue. So if you click on continue, it will exchange to your Ghana cedis. Yeah. If you want to transfer that money in your Ghana account to your Momo direct, you will come here. You click on the send, and you click on Momo mobile. and you click on the mobile. So if you click here, then you enter the amount you want to transfer. Let's say 200 cedis, but there's no enough fund in it. Yeah. So if you click on 20 cedis, you click on continue, then it will transfer from your Ghana account to your mobile money straight. You receive the money through your mobile money straight. You see the thing? Yeah. So let's say if you want to transfer from your dollar account to that one, USD2. Yeah. So if you want to transfer to your, if you want to do like direct transfer, let's say you have money in your USD and you want to transfer it direct to your mobile money, you see the exchange rate. That's 1 USD is equal to 14. So let's say you have $20 in your dollar account. Yeah, it will transfer. You get what? 280.77. 280.77. You see, you get 280.27. Yeah. So if you click on continue, you will see that your dollar will it will be transferred to your mobile money direct. Yeah. So I think that's all for today. Yeah. But if you don't understand anything, you can alert me. And if you want to add more money, let's say more currency to your account, you can add it. Like if you click here, then say wallet. This is my active wallet. That's Ghana cedis and the USD. Yeah. If I want to add Kenyan shillings or Rwanda francs or Uganda shillings to it, I'll click on this one, active. Then it will add it to my active one. If I want to add Rwanda francs, I will click it, active. Uganda shillings, I will click it and do active. So when I come to my main screen, if I click here, you see that you see, yeah. So that's how it works. So thank you for watching me.